Hello, this is Doug Stroud of Performer Apps. In an earlier presentation, I demonstrated how to do session personalization so that you could personalize it to your requirements. And what I'd like to do today is discuss how to copy those sessions personalizations. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up Order Inventory Transactions in Company 1030. And you'll notice you have lines, transaction dates, item, warehouse quantity, and whether they've been printed or not. So what you can do is by, again, using the forms personalization for a session, you can actually change the information that's going to be shown on the screen. And that's what I did earlier. So what I want to do today is talk about how to copy these. So I'm going to open up Session Personalizations, find my particular session that I want to do, and you'll notice that Dan A has done a number of personalizations with column ordering and fields. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy those. So I go up to Action, Copy Personalizations to a different level, and you'll notice you got levels over here of User, Tools Role, Dim Role, or Company on the From and the To side. So on the To side, I'm going to go into Company, and I'm going to copy these personalizations to Company 1030. And I click OK. And now you'll notice that you got the Dan A personalizations and you got the Company 1030 personalization. So let's close this. Let's reopen the transaction. And you will notice now that there are additional fields, things like the transaction date, the actual log date, the item, and again, over here, the inventory valuation method, the user who did the transactions, and whether they've been printed or not. Okay? So now we've actually copied these to Company 1030. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go back to my session personalizations. And what I want to do is I want to filter on the Dan A personalizations. And you'll notice now I only see those. And what I can do here is I can go to the little box here and tell it to select all. And I can delete those personalizations. Okay, so it tells me it deleted 20 records. And I can wipe out my filter and redisplay. Now I got them for Company 1030. Okay, well, one of the nice things is now I can go into my action and copy, and I can copy them from Company 1030 to Company 1050. This way, everybody's having the same view in the different companies. And I say OK, and you'll notice now that the 1030s and 1050 companies are here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to change my companies. So I'm going to change to Company 1050. And I'm going to open the session again. And you'll notice that I got the same fields and columns here that I had in Company 1030. So therefore, by doing it this way, you can standardize the view of the sessions across multiple companies and make it rather easily for the users to use the session. Okay, so let's close this. Let's change our company back to 1030. And let's go back into session personalizations. Like I say, so now I've got them for Company 1030 and 1050. And again, via my action copy, I could copy them from one company to another. I could copy them to a specific user. So again, this copy personalization allows you to copy session personalizations and standardize them across your organization. I hope that you found this presentation to be informative, and I look forward to talking to you again in the near future. Have a good day.